Hello everybody, and welcome to my presentation on how to do a 2015 Honda CR-V oil change by me, the top tier core mechanic. So let us get started. There you go. So, description. Hey guys, in today's video we are going to be doing a oil change on my Honda CR-V. Also, this video is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends, but more on them later in the video. What I'm working on and why. I'm doing an oil change on my 2015 Honda CR-V to make sure my car engine don't go kaboom. Ah! Grr. That's when my car. Regular oil changes can help improve performance, fuel efficiency, and extended life in the engine. This should take about 30, you can see 45 minutes if you're slow and not epic like me. It's a quick and easy way to maintain the car and avoid more costly repairs down the road. Tools? Nah. Don't need them. Just kidding. Tools. As follows. Sockets, socket wrenches. Depending on the oil filter, oil wrench, gloves, optional if you prefer to be oiled up. Oiled up! Rags, torque wrench, jack stand, and jack if you don't have a lift. Oil bucket, funnel, and new oil filter and oil. Now that we have all the tools required and such, we have to lift the car. Raise that John. Using the jack and the jack stand, you want to raise it up on the pinch welds and place the jack stand on the frame. Make sure, before you start, put on your safety glasses. So that way the car doesn't fall on your face and the glasses will protect you from the car falling on your face. Drain her dry. Place the oil bucket under oil drain plug. Crack the bolt using the wrench and the right size socket, aka untighten it until it's loose. It'll feel like it's cracking, like you'll be going like that. Then take out the bolt and let the oil drain. As you can see, there's an example. Remove old oil filter. Once you wait a while and the drain plug is barely leaking, use an oil wrench to take out the filter. Make sure move the bucket under it first. Then let it leak dry and place the old filter somewhere else. Take rubber rings if needed.
What is the next step of the operation?
What is the next step of the operation? Install new oil filter. Take old oil rubber rings and put them on new filter if it didn't come with them. If it did, just oil up the new ones, put them back in, and put the oil filter back once no more oil is leaking from the car. Also, this is all if you don't have that other type of oil filter. Put back in drain plug and torque everything needed. Once no more oil coming out, put back drain plug using torque wrench and look at the correct torque and set wrench to that much in foot-pounds and torque bolt to click. That means it's done. For the oil filter, hand tighten hard. Lower car and add new oil. Lift car up until jack stand is not holding the car. Take out jack stand, lower the car. Then look up how much oil to add and what type. Then do that. Check oil level using the stick thing. Check the level of oil. If it's good, then put cap back on and start the car, run it for like a minute, then turn it off. Then dispose of the body. 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 I mean oil. Oh yeah. The end. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed my presentation, and I will see you guys next time.